All right, we are Cadillacing, but we are filthy. We're just coming off a snowstorm. Let's get this cleaned up a little bit. This is not gonna do. We're gonna fix this up right now. Let's go. Yeah, baby, let's clean this bad boy up. We can't use the Italian broom, so we go to the drive-through car wash. Here we go. All kinds of colors cleaning us up. Soapity soap. And there you have it. We're shining. We're clean, if only for a minute. Some of that ice is gone. Nothing's dripping. No, we are good to go. All right, let's get Cadillacing here today in North Jersey. We are clean, ice-free. Have a blessed day, everyone. What is it? 117-2024. Here we go.